I've done many personalities like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Nehru, Indira Gandhi, Charlie Chaplin, Lauren and Hardy. The manual typewriter. This is my hobby. This is a passion, you know. You require concentration and dedication. Without that, it is not possible. Because if you make a single mistake, you have to remove the page. It is not like a computer where you can delete and again you can type. In future, I am planning to do Queen Elizabeth, Donald Trump and Narendra Modi. Let us see.